We're doing the water pump today on the old Ram. She's at about 155,000 miles. I do believe it is the original water pump. I did notice a little bit of a coolant leak on the ground. So we're doing the water pump and the thermostat today. We'll get started by draining a little bit of coolant out of it. And then we'll take a look at that fan. Would you look at that? It's actually in a nice, easy to access place. How nice. It's going exactly to plan. We're gonna have to do it a little different. Normally, you would remove the fan by taking your air hammer with the wrench on one side and popping it off. We don't have that set up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up the fan blade, see if we can get the shroud out of here, remove the alternator and the AC compressor, and we might just take the water pump out in one assembly with the fan, and then take the fan off on the bench and put the new fan on, which is sounding better and better. Nice. Plenty of room. Make sure not to forget about that one. If you do, you might crack the housing for the air compressor. I think it'll hold just fine, but don't forget to do it. We'll get our thermostat removed, and then we'll try to get the fan off of here. Should be fun. Not bad at all. That might be the best design I've ever seen for a gasket. Also, this is completely different style to the old one. This one's got an open design, and this one's completely closed off. Pretty interesting. We're gonna do a little bit of surface prep. So it looks like we've got a little bit of build up in this corner here, but otherwise, we don't really see too much. We'll put the belt on, which we actually should have done before we put the fan shroud on, but either way. And then we'll get the fan connected, clean up the area, top it off with fluid, and then we'll try to purge all the air out. What are you that guy for? Not bad. We've got everything reconnected. We're gonna top off the fluid, run it for a bit, hopefully it burps, and we'll send it on its way. We're gonna let it run until the thermostat opens. Water pump is installed. So we ran it up to temperature, we made sure we purged any air out of the system. All that's left is to pick up some kitty litter.